Before you spend another dollar on arthritis creams that don't work, let's talk about the one product seniors consistently say actually reduces joint pain when it's used correctly. Voltaren Gel is everywhere. But does it really work? Or is it just clever marketing? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it, who should avoid it, and how fast you can expect real relief. If you want the trusted, pharmacy-grade version seniors rely on, the link is in the description, or you can visit homehealthcareshop.com. If you have arthritis pain in your hands, knees, elbows, or ankles, this video is for you. Today we're looking at one product only, Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel. No hype, no fancy marketing talk, just clear, real-world guidance based on research and what everyday seniors have experienced. So let's begin with what Voltaren actually is and why so many doctors recommend it. Voltaren Gel contains Diclofenac, which is a type of NSAID, the same family as ibuprofen and naproxen. But unlike pills that travel through your entire body and can increase the risk of stomach bleeding, ulcers, or heart strain, Voltaren Gel is applied directly to the painful joint. That means far less medication enters the bloodstream and more goes straight into the area where pain relief is needed the most. This makes it a common recommendation for arthritis in the hands, wrists, elbows, knees, ankles, and feet, all joints that sit close to the skin. And yes, it used to be prescription only until 2020, which is one reason a lot of seniors trust it today. Before we go deeper, here's what real customers at homehealthcareshop.com have said. Lewis from Missouri shared that this stronger version of Voltaren provided his wife with much better relief than the American version, and he noticed it absorbs faster through the skin. Plus, he appreciated the excellent service from the shop. Another customer, Rainey from the United States, said simply and clearly, "This works for me to help reduce pain. This strength is great." These are the kinds of results many seniors report. Less stiffness in the morning, smoother movement during the day, and a noticeable improvement that builds gradually with proper use. This part is crucial because most people use Voltaren incorrectly and then wonder why it doesn't work. Inside the box is a clear dosing card, and you should use it every time. For upper body joints, like the hands, wrists, or elbows, you measure out about 2 grams. For lower body joints like the knees, ankles, or feet, the correct amount is 4 grams. Once measured, rub the gel gently into the entire joint area. Let it dry for about 10 minutes, and avoid washing the area for at least an hour afterward. Don't use heating pads, tight wraps, or compression sleeves on top of the gel, and remember to wash your hands unless you're treating your hands. And most importantly, Voltaren Gel must be used 4 times a day, every day. It's not a use-as-needed product. The medication needs time to build up inside the joint to reach full effectiveness. If this has been helpful so far, go ahead, like this video and subscribe button. We post senior-friendly health guides every week that are easy to follow and based on real results. One of the most common questions people ask is, how fast does Voltaren Gel work? It's important to understand that this is not a heating or cooling gel, so it won't deliver instant sensation. Some people feel mild relief within a few days, but most seniors begin to feel meaningful improvement after about a week. Full results usually take 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use. If nothing improves after 21 days, it's best to stop and speak with your doctor. What about side effects? Most people experience only mild skin redness or itching. But remember, even though Voltaren is topical, Diclofenac is still an NSAID, and it carries the same black box warning as oral NSAIDs, meaning there is a small risk of heart attack, stroke, or stomach bleeding, especially for adults over 60. You should avoid Voltaren if you take blood thinners, have a history of stomach ulcers, kidney disease, heart problems, or if you're allergic to NSAIDs. When in doubt, always check with your doctor first. Another common question is whether Voltaren works for all types of pain. The answer is no. Voltaren does not help with back pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, sprains, strains, or muscle-only soreness. It works best for joints that sit close to the skin, such as hands, knees, wrists, elbows, and feet, and specifically for osteoarthritis. Final verdict: does Voltaren really work? For many seniors dealing with mild to moderate osteoarthritis, the answer is yes. When used as directed, studies show Voltaren Gel can reduce arthritis pain by 44 to 47%. Many users report having less morning stiffness, improved mobility throughout the day, and the ability to rely less on oral pain medication. It's not a cure, but it's one of the most reliable and evidence-supported over-the-counter arthritis treatments available today, especially for seniors who want something safer than daily pain pills. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, did Voltaren Gel work for you? Your experience might help someone else finally discover relief. And if you want the authentic, high-strength version with fast shipping, check the link in the description or visit homehealthcareshop.com to learn more.